Hey, this is Ryan Hayden from Simple Church Tools, and in this video, I'm going to continue going through our service planner, and I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on it. And there's a couple cool things that you can do here as far as collaboration goes. Now, we've already gone through and we've added a service for Easter, but let's say we want to have more people in on this planning the service. How do we do that? Well, if you click on the little share button in the top right hand corner, there's a little button that says share, and if you click on that, it gives you some options. Okay, you can invite anybody that you want to this base, and all you have to do is put their email address in here, and then you can give them a message, give them a note. So I'm going to add my other account here, Ryan at Rowan Table, and then over here you have some options for creator. Okay, let me quickly go through these. Creator means that the person that you're inviting can make any change that you can make. So they can add fields, they can change whatever they want. Edit only means that they can only add data and change the data that's there, but they cannot change the fields, okay, which is what I recommend for most people. And then read only, of course, means that they can just read it, okay? So let's say edit only, and then send invite. All right. Now, the person that you invited will get a notification, and they will be able to go on here, and they will be able to add data. So if I were to go and open another browser like this, and I go to Airtable, let me sign into my other Airtable account here. Okay, I am signed in to my other Airtable account here, and now you can see I've got the service planner, songs and hymns and revival that we were working on over there. And you can see these little icons in here that show that we are shared. So I can click on this, and now I have access. And I want to show you how cool this is, okay? Let's say that we're working on this on two different if I go in here and I add a field, watch how fast it shows up. So let's say we want to start working on the next. Look at that. It's immediate. And you can actually watch people type in here. Another thing that you can do is if you click on this little arrow here, you have another option for controlling this, and you can send comments back and forth, and they will get an email with that comment. So let's say that you want to message Ryan about this. So you can click here and you can say that, we need to know what choir song we are using this week. I don't know why I capitalized choir. It's just that simple, all right? And then on here, we'll get a notification. I'll get a notification that says that I got a new message here, and you'll also have that little question there. So that's one thing with collaboration, okay? It's really easy to send and invite other people onto this. And then you can access this through any browser. Okay, the second thing about collaboration that I wanted to show you is there's something called a collaborator field. And the way that works is let's say we want to add a collaborator field to our, let's say special music. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to click, we're going to say, what can we do here? Let's say we're going to do assigned to. Okay, we'll call this assigned to. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click this collaborator field. Okay, now what this is going to do is it's going to mean that if you click on here, it will allow you to pick anybody who's been added to this base, and then they will get an email notification that says you have been added to assigned to for this song, okay? And then they can get all the details that they need that way. So there's really quite a bit of collaboration that's built in here, and you can really use your imagination for how you want to collaborate using Airtable, whether it's through the comments, whether it's through bringing people in, whether it's through giving them read-only access. There's so many things that you can do here. One more thing let me show you that you can do is you can actually click on the share button, and you can make a shared read-only link to this, okay? So we could click this, and you can actually give people a shared link to the base, much like the one that we just copied to make this. you can give them a shared link, and they can you could put that on your website or whatever, and so people could look and see without having access to Airtable. They could look and see all the stuff that's coming up in future weeks, and they can see, you know, who's supposed to be singing or whatever. You can also share individual views. So if you didn't want to give people access to everything, let's say you just wanted to give people access to the special music schedule, you could go in here and you could click on this little button right here, and you can create a shareable grid view link. And if we open this in a new tab, people would be able to see just the special music schedule. So a lot that you can do with this simple service planner. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know by email. And thanks for your interest.